Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bovgero Mini Multi-Tool Plier set. The first thing I noticed was how compact it is. It easily fits on a keychain or in your pocket, making it perfect for everyday carry without feeling bulky. What really stands out is how many functions it packs into such a small size. It's a 15-inch -1 tool, so you've got pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, and a few other handy tools all built into one. That makes it really useful for quick fixes, whether you're tightening something, opening packages, or handling small repairs. The pliers are spring-loaded, which makes them easy to use with one hand, and they feel solid for light to medium tasks. It's not meant to replace a full-size tool, but it gets the job done in everyday situations. Another thing I like is how convenient it is to carry around. Since it's so small and lightweight, you can keep it on your keys, in your car, or in a backpack and forget it's even there until you need it. Overall, this mini multi-tool is a practical, versatile gadget that's great for everyday use. If you want something compact that gives you multiple tools in one and helps with quick fixes on the go, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommended it, and I hope this review helps.